Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to open your mobile screen on your computer. So without wasting your time, let's get started. All you need is just one file named as mirror. Link is in description, just click it and download it. I have already downloaded, so I'm not downloading it again, and one more file is needed, that is WinRAR, which is easily available on internet. Now just extract that file in C drive anywhere you want, but note down it must be C drive to locate the path by default. As you can see, my mobile view is opened in my PC. So if you like the video, hit on that thumb up and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.